And I'm back, students. Mr. Young here with our vocabulary for Chapter 24. Go ahead and scope out this chapter's vocabulary, then move on to the quiz. First word, imperialism. A policy of one nation directly or indirectly controlling another. A protectorate, a nation that has its own government, but its military is controlled by another government, so it's protected by another country. Protectorate. Sphere of influence is a region where only one imperial power has the right to invest or trade. Extraterritoriality is a legal practice of foreigners living in a country but not being subject to the laws of that country. So that would be like Mr. Yen moves to China, but he has to follow U.S. law and not Chinese law. Extraterritoriality. Usually this happens when you have cultures that are vastly different. Militarism, a faith in war and military power. Conscription, when citizens are required to serve in the military of their country. Here we generally think of it as a draft. An entente, a formal agreement between nations to cooperate for a specific purpose. Mobilization is the process of assembling armed forces into readiness for conflict. If you have a nation mobilizing, it's preparing for war. Propaganda is biased information used to influence public opinion. Blockade, the closing off of a port to prevent entrance or exit. Armistice is a temporary stop in fighting or a ceasefire. Genocide, the deliberate killing of an ethnic group or like a specific people. Reparations, payment for war damages made to winning countries by the defeated ones. So if country A beats country B in a war and then they make country B pay them for all the damages they had to suffer, that would be reparations. A mandate is a territory that is officially controlled by the League of Nations but is governed by a member nation. So we'll learn about that when we get there. And a Soviet is a committee to represent the concerns of the Russian people. We'll talk about the fall of the Tsars and the formation of the Soviet Union. We'll get there a little bit. Well, not so much the Soviet Union as in communist Russia. Alright, on the next page we have a quiz. We'll quiz this chapter. Our little World War I quiz here. It's a big one, 15 points, 2 attempts. That's it for today. We'll be getting into Lesson 1 tomorrow. Have a good day.